Indonesia is a country with a rich and diverse culinary heritage, a reflection of the nation's cultural and geographical diversity. While there are many dishes that are loved by Indonesians, there is no single Indonesian dish that has gained worldwide recognition, unlike sushi from Japan, curry from India, or pizza and spaghetti from Italy. However, the depth and breadth of Indonesia's cuisine are truly remarkable, with a wide range of Nusantara dishes that are flavored with a unique blend of spices and herbs. In this video series, we will explore the history of Indonesian cuisine, uncovering the secrets behind the delicious flavors of Nusantara dishes. The gateway to Nusantara, the land of spices. The history of Indonesian cuisine begins in the Maluku and North Maluku regions of eastern Indonesia, also known as the land of spices. The Maluku Islands were highly sought after by explorers and traders from all over the world, who were in search of valuable spices such as nutmeg, clove, and pepper. These spices were highly prized and were often traded for gold, silver, or other valuable commodities. From the Maluku Islands, traders sailed to Java and other parts of Indonesia, spreading the use of these spices throughout the archipelago. The Dutch and the Arab traders settled in Java, and they brought with them their own culinary traditions and spices, which blended with the local flavors to create new and unique dishes. In the wetlands of Java, the farmers were forced to cultivate rice and had their crops seized, leaving only sugar cane and sugar behind. As a result, the local cuisine began to incorporate sugar into their dishes, creating sweet and savory flavors that are still popular today. Chinese traders often stopped by North Sumatra, which had its own unique blend of spices that had been shaping the taste of spicy food for hundreds of years. The region also had its own distinct culinary traditions, including dishes made with buffalo meat, which is still a popular delicacy in Sumatra. Not far from Sumatra, Aceh became a port connecting Maluku with foreign traders. The region's cuisine is characterized by its spicy and aromatic flavors, influenced by Indian and Middle Eastern spices. The diversity of Nusantara dishes. Indonesia's cuisine is as diverse as its people and geography, with a wide range of Nusantara dishes that reflect the country's cultural and religious diversity. The cuisine of West Sumatra is known for its spicy and savory flavors, with dishes such as rendang and gulai ayam. These dishes are often made with coconut milk and a blend of spices, including chili, ginger, and lemongrass, giving them a rich and complex flavor. Moving to other places across the ocean, there are also stopovers for the Spanish and Portuguese from Maluku and North Sulawesi. The cuisine of North Sulawesi is characterized by its spicy and sour flavors, with dishes such as tinusuan and kakalang fufu. The region also has its own unique blend of spices, including turmeric, ginger, and lemongrass, which are used to create the distinct flavors of its dishes. However, despite the vastness of the spice trade route, there are areas untouched by it in the interior of Kalimantan, including a place where the rulers of the Dayak tribe have lived for thousands of years. No one knows the forest better than them, and they cook with different spices than the ones commonly used worldwide. The cuisine of the Dayak tribe is characterized by its use of local ingredients, such as wild boar and jungle ferns, giving it a distinct and unique flavor. As we savor the rich flavors and fragrances of Indonesian cuisine, we are partaking in an ancient culinary heritage that has been handed down from generation to generation. Yet, these culinary treasures are in peril of being lost to the passage of time. Our neglect in preserving the stories behind the birth and evolution of these dishes could reduce them to mere legends. It is our solemn duty to ensure the survival of the ancestral recipes of all Indonesian cuisines, including their derivatives. By preserving these culinary gems, we can showcase the diversity of Indonesian cuisine in all its glory. From the westernmost islands to the easternmost points of the archipelago, we will delve into the historical and cultural significance of each dish in our culinary journey through Indonesia. We urge you to join us in celebrating and safeguarding the wealth of Indonesian culinary arts. Tune in to all the episodes to discover the flavors, aromas, and stories of Indonesia's rich culinary heritage.